Allow yourself to slow down and notice what's happening in your experience. Again, with the first skill being the skill of awareness. Good morning. You made it back. Didn't know. So today we've got a couple quick things we're going to do. And we're going to do a quick little reflection exercise because this is the last day. So we've got a little bit more time with our tribe, and so it's a really good time to check in with yourself, to see how this is going. And then we're going to do an exercise that's going to take what we did yesterday and ramp up the intensity just a little bit. Gulp. So, to get started, let's have everybody go ahead and close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And exhale. Take another deep breath in. Then audible exhale. Do one more of those. Deep breath in. And let it go this time. And allow yourself to slow down this morning. Allow yourself to slow down and notice what's happening in your experience. Again, with the first skill being the skill of awareness. Noticing what thoughts you're thinking. Noticing what emotions you're experiencing. And noticing what's happening in your body. And as you're doing this, I want you to remember back to when you got here and when you first registered for the experience. Remember what it was like. Remember what you felt. Remember if it was exciting, if you were eager, if you were nervous. And remember why you came here in the first place. What it is that you're wanting. And then imagine remembering your time through the experience, remembering the talks, remembering what stood out to you, noticing what didn't, remembering the dinners, the conversations, and the parties last night. And just for a moment, reflect to yourself of what's going well for you this weekend. What's really working? And think about if there's anything that isn't working. Is there any part of you that's feeling challenged, stretched, lonely, or connected? And allowing yourself to just be with whatever experience it is that you're having. Taking another deep breath in and out. Another deep breath in and out. One more deep breath in and out. When you're ready, go ahead and open your eyes and find your partner for the first sentence stem. First sentence stem this morning, what we want to do is we want to give you a chance to actually share with somebody what the experience is like for you, what's working and what isn't. And so this is your chance to share anything that's going for you or if there's anything you're struggling with somebody. So the sentence stem for the person with the bigger thumb who's going to start. I know, I get self-conscious of my thumbs too, it's okay. Person with the biggest thumb, listening, hands up, thank you. Your sentence, my experience so far has been blank. You have 30 seconds, go. And switching it up and remembering, you're in a community where you can be real. If you're challenged, if you're struggling, you don't have to hide it. If you're rocking it, you don't have to hide it. Switching it up, my experience so far has been blank, 30 seconds, go. Giving your partner a sign of acknowledgement, a fist bump, a hug, a handshake, and going back to your sheets. I want to take a moment and I want to just get some voices in this space so you can hear some of your friends and what people are experiencing and how things are going so far. So is anybody having a big experience from this weekend? Did they want to share? No big experiences? Okay. You want to come here? Give her a round of applause. Got a mic? Thank you. There you go. Yeah. You can come right up here. Yeah.
Okay. Hi, everyone. So this year, I didn't come with anything in mind, and I just wanted to connect. That's all I wanted to do. I just wanted to connect. And what's ending up happening is, well, Eric said something in a speech, and here's my little angel or butterfly wings, and he said that butterflies have the misfortune of their vision not being able to see their own wings, so they never see how beautiful they are. And other people see the beauty. And I've had so many people resonating, especially the people that have followed my journey since my first reunion, telling me that they're seeing the changes, they're seeing the shine, they're seeing the bravery and the courage. And something that's coming up in me is my gratitude is so big that it's shaking off any little bits of me that I thought were gone, and I feel like everything's cracking and just falling to the ground, and I'm walking forward. Woo! Thank you.
Thank you. We've got about 30 seconds left for one more share. Right there. All right, come right out in the center. We got a mic for you. Oh, you want to come up here? David?
Yes. I wanted to...
You have 20 seconds, so you got to make this quick.
Just so you guys know, and most of you know, my sister died on Thursday, and I could have gone home, and I really wanted to run, and I stayed here, and you all have come up to me and loved me and held me and hugged me. When everything is falling apart in my darkest hour, Mindvalley has shown up for me. This tribe has given me a new way to live, and I'm so fucking grateful. Thank you.
Woo! Thank you, man. Thank you. Man. So, we're short on time. I have to wrap. But I just want to reaffirm the potency that happens when you surround yourself with people, where you can just be real and you can just be yourself and you don't have to hide anything. And I think that's one of the things that makes Mindvalley so unique. So it's been a pleasure to be with you all. Thank you guys this morning. Thank you. Thank you.